Hi everyone. Okay, I got my Pipsticks in. I really want to see what we got. So I decided to open them up right now before I have to head on out of town to go deal with the crowd of Thanksgiving shopping. But it's our normal shopping. Kids. This is the kids club. Okay, cool. I want to see the kids club. Oh wait, I don't want to do kids club first. I love kids club. It's my favorite one. So let's do the classic one first. So, okay, so we have the little guide, and I had one person comment, sorry, I can't remember your name, that said that she ordered for the year, I think, and she's not getting any of them, and the one she did, she had to look at the video in order to see what it is that was in that kit, and I'm so sorry for you. I would say probably never do that again. I'd probably say just do month to month. So, because that would suck to not get what you pay for. I hate that stuff. I don't have a board in here. Do I have? Oh, I kind of have a board in here. Okay. So this one is, so it's Christmas. It's a coffee cup and snowman. Let me see if I can get closer. You see that? Oh, cute. Oh, I love it. So it's going to be a Christmas themed one. And a sweater that you can decorate yourself. So it's got all the little stuff you can put on, like ugly sweater. Which I don't think necessarily is ugly sweater. I just think it's cute sweater. So let me open this fully. That way I can take out the, you don't have the glaring plastic in your way. Okay. And then, oh, look at the puppies in a box. Hopefully that doesn't mean that puppies are a gift, because these are, 15-year commitments, and they don't deserve to be outside at all, and they have vet bills. So, and for English Bulldogs, they have vet bills all the time. So, I am a rescue mom, so I don't believe in shopping. I believe in rescuing, because people just get rid of them because, yeah, money, time, everything else. Oh, so cute. Mine are currently, all four of mine are currently sleeping on the bed, on their bed, which is the king size bed that they allow my husband and I to sleep on with them. So I can hear them all snoring over there. When you have English Bulldogs and they sleep with you, it just means wherever you go, you can sleep through anything. Like Tim and I, we could probably sleep next to train tracks, and the train would be like constantly going by. We would sleep through it. It wouldn't wake us up. Going potty would wake us up. But trains, no. Honking their horn, no. So, because English Bulldogs train you. They train you how to sleep through everything. They sleep on our heads. They snore. They toot. They sleep. Right now I have 4 of them, and it's just me at home. So they sleep one above my head, one on my shoulder, one in between my legs, and one on the side of me. I feel like I'm in a coffin, and that is why I will not be buried. So I do not want to be buried. Oh, look how pretty these are. I'm just talking to you guys because, it's better than silence, and you can only talk about stickers, because you can see what they are, because they're wonderful. I love Pipsticks. Ugh, I love their stuff. Remember, they're $19.25 for the subscription. That includes the shipping, so it's $19.25 straight out the door. Then you get a postcard. Look how shiny that is. Very, very shiny. And you get a sticker. Look at original tablet, and that's the truth. Wow, I just totally botched that sentence right there, but isn't that the truth? There we go. Enunciate, Mandy. It's too early in the morning. It's like 6:54 in the morning. Okay, now we get to the kids pack. I love it. So, This page kills, well, I love this. Oh, this page right here kills me. Because you can let your kids decorate in here, and they can put their stickers on there. But I will tell you what, my son used to love stickers, and this is before I was a sticker, you know, I was this 80s girl sticker lover, and we put them in albums, you know, the ones that are not acid free. So we always put them in there, and so I had my son do the same thing in a creative memories album. And so I kept that. So I do know that if my son or my daughter wanted to put their stickers in these little things, I would be keeping those for the rest of my life. So just a little FYI there. Oh my God, you guys, I love the kids pack. It is just freaking adorable. Oh my gosh, you guys, 1925. Worth it. Just love it. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you guys, every single month, if I could only get one kit, it would be the kids pack. This has my heart. Look at how adorable. Oh my gosh, so cute. And oh, look at these birds, and look at how they're kind of iridescent. Can you guys see that? That's cool. I love it. Oh my gosh, and look at this little one. It's got, oh, this is like, almost like you can build it. This is pine cones and little cranberry sprays. Oh, so you can build your snow globe. Oh, that is so adorable. I love it. And you get 15 stickers. And then you can build their clothes onto them. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. This is the best one. Holy crud, I love it. Oh my gosh. He is full of scarves. Oh my gosh, adorable. Oh, look at this one. I love it, you guys. It's so awesome. Oh my gosh, and the llamas. And then you have like a border one. So you got hearts, yeah, hearts and diamonds, hearts, more hearts, and more borders. Cool. And, oh, look at the dinos. Oh my gosh. Oh, and they're on little sleds and those boards for sledding. How cute, and ice skates. Okay, and then this is their postcard. You can color it in. I love that. I'm going to send one to my mom. I'm going to be like, Mom, look at this. Oh my gosh, and this one's a cocoa one. Oh, I love this one. Look at this. This is adorable. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are fantastic. Fantastic. Oh, I love it. And last one, of course, is my favorite. The puffy stickers. Oh my gosh, look how puffy they are too. I love it. Oh gosh, so fun. These are my favorite right here. Oh, okay, but then the giraffe is in there too. So, oh, these are my 3 favorite. But all of them are amazing. So we'll see you all next month. That should be like next week. All right, guys, take care. Bye.